Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to embed a file from SoundCloud. When you click on here, Share, you can select an embed code. So click Embed and copy this code. So you can select it and simply click Command A, Command C, and now you've copied the code. And we're going to take a quick look at this code. I'm going to paste this code in a document so you can see it. What you'll notice is there's a part that begins with iframe right here and ends with iframe here. And this is the part that you want to embed the SoundCloud file into your assignment. Everything else after this point, after iframe, that is, all of this is not necessary. And in fact, if you include this, the embed code will not work inside of iTeach. So what you have to do is you basically have to delete this. So you can either paste it on a document, delete it, and then copy this and paste it into the assignment, or you can do it another way. So the other way to do this is to create an assignment. And here I've begun an assignment. I've given it a name and some instructions. And now we're going to embed the code. And here I'm simply going to paste the entire embed code from SoundCloud. However, I'm going to look for the beginning words, iframe, and the ending word of /iframe right here. And then I'm going to select all the code afterwards. I'm going to delete that. And now you'll see that I have a clean code. It just begins with iframe and it closes with iframe. And I will simply click here to add this assignment. And then I'll go over here and we'll preview this assignment, and we see that it's displayed beautifully, exactly like what you want. So again, remember that the solution to this is that the embed code from SoundCloud contains a lot of extra information, all of this, and you want to delete this. You only want to go from the beginning iframe here and to this word here which closes the iframe. Everything else needs to be deleted. I hope this is helpful. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.